First place in the Sounds of the Southeast Drumline Battle is Eufaula. Outstanding color guard solo from the Color Guard Sounds of the Southeast Solos Ensembles is Sydney Coleman, 1. Outstanding color guard duet from the Color Guard Sounds of the Southeast Solos Ensembles is Jace Honeycutt, Haley Whitecotton, Toto. Outstanding color guard ensemble from the Color Guard Sounds of the Southeast Solos Ensembles is Shakota Color Guard. Outstanding drum major for Panther Red Class is Quentin. Outstanding percussion for Panther Red Class is Haskell. Second place in the Panther Red Class, Quentin. First place in the Panther Red Class is Haskell. Outstanding color guard for the Panther White Class, Warner. Outstanding drum major for Panther White Class, Warner. Outstanding percussion for Panther White Class, Warner. Fourth place in the Panther White Class, Wilburton. Third place in the Panther White Class, Hartshorn. Second place in the Panther White Class, Picola. First place in the Panther White Class, Warner. Outstanding color guard for the Panther Gray Class, Eufaula. Outstanding drum major for the Panther Gray Class, Eufaula. Outstanding percussion for the Panther Gray Class, Eufaula. Third place in the Panther Gray Class, Heavner. Second place in the Panther grade class, Spyro. First place in the Panther grade class, Eufaula. Outstanding color guard for the Panther black class, Shakota. Outstanding drum major for the Panther black class, Hodo. Outstanding percussion for the Panther black class, Podo. Fourth place in the Panther black class, Locust Grove. Third place in the Panther black class, Podo. Second place in the Panther black class, Shakota. First place in the Panther black class, Muldrow. Our All Panther Class Sweepstakes Award, awarded to the best overall score of the day, goes to Eufaula. Directors, please come pick up your packets on each side of the press box. We want to thank each and every one for coming to the first annual Sounds of the Southeast Marching Competition. Please drive safely, and we hope to see you next year.